Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study the skull for better drawing. Begin by simplifying the skull into basic geometric shapes. Think of the cranium as an egg and the jaw as a separate, simpler form like a box or wedge. This initial step helps you capture the overall proportions and placement before adding intricate details. Focus on the main masses and their relationship to each other. This foundational approach makes the complex structure more manageable. Next, focus on understanding the skull's key proportions and landmarks. Imagine dividing the face into thirds vertically to help place features correctly. Identify prominent areas like the cheekbones, also known as zygomatic arches, and the temporal lines. Pay close attention to how the eye sockets, nasal opening, and the dental arch relate to each other in terms of size and position. These landmarks are crucial for building a believable facial structure. Now, let's explore the planes and forms of the skull. Think of the skull not just as a curved surface, but as a collection of interconnected flat planes. This helps you understand how light hits different areas, creating shadows and highlights that define its three-dimensional volume. Practice drawing the skull from various angles, like a three-quarters view or a profile, to truly grasp its complex structure and how these planes shift. Finally, consider the muscle attachment points on the skull. Understanding where muscles originate and insert helps you visualize how they would lay over the bone, influencing facial expressions and overall form. Consistent practice is key. Sketch skulls from different perspectives using reliable references. Remember, the more you draw, the better you'll become. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.